If you're seeing the Lucidchart Error 401, that usually means there's an authentication problem, not that your document is gone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your diagram without wasting time. We'll cover re-authenticating in an incognito window, checking for multiple accounts, clearing cache and cookies, disabling conflicting extensions, and verifying any connected integrations. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. The first thing to try is re-authenticating in an incognito window. Open a private browsing window in your browser, then go to the Lucidchart sign-in page and log in again. Once you're signed in, open the document that was showing the 401 unauthorized error. If it opens properly in incognito, that's a strong sign the issue is coming from your normal browser session, browser cache, cookies, or an extension. In that case, go back to your regular window and clear your browser cache and cookies, or disable extensions one by one to see which one is interfering. Next, check for multiple accounts. A lot of authentication issues happen when you're signed into more than one account at the same time. Sign out of all active Lucidchart sessions, return to the sign-in page, and make sure you log in with the exact email address that has permission to access that shared document. If the file belongs to a team or workspace account, signing in with the wrong email can trigger a 401 error even if your browser seems fine. After that, try clearing your browser cache and cookies directly. Open your browser settings, head into the Privacy or Privacy and Security section, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. You can usually choose last 7 days if the issue just started, or all time if you want the cleanest reset. Then click Clear Data, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Lucidchart. This step often fixes stale login sessions that cause access errors. If the problem still isn't solved, look at your browser extensions. Open the extensions or add-ons page and temporarily disable anything that could affect login or website behavior, especially VPNs, ad blockers, password managers, and privacy tools. Refresh Lucidchart and try opening the file again. If the document loads, you found the cause. Turn the extensions back on one at a time so you can identify the exact one causing the conflict. Finally, if your Lucidchart document depends on an integration, you'll want to verify the API or integration credentials. Sign into Lucidchart, open your account settings, and go to Integrations or Connected Apps. Find the service that's having trouble, such as Jira, Confluence, or Google Workspace. Disconnect it, then reauthorize or generate a new connection if Lucidchart prompts you to do so. After that, reconnect the integration and test it again. This can fix 401 errors caused by expired tokens or broken permissions between services. If you followed these steps, you should now have a much better chance of fixing the Lucidchart 401 error quickly and safely. If one method worked, let us know in the comments so it can help other viewers too. And if you want more clear, step-by-step tech tutorials like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.